Using ClickUp for project management is very easy to do. Today I am going to show you how to do it. First of all, open your Chrome browser and then search here for ClickUp. After some time, the search will complete. And then here you can see that the first link of clickup.com. You just have to click on this link and the website will open. Here you can see that website is performing very well and layout of this website is very beautiful. If you scroll down you can see that simplify work and get more done. You can see that this is the dashboard that will look after creating your account. And you can see that join highly productive teams, and here you can see that the users of this website, that is IBM, Logitech, Fortinet, TIG, Spotify, and Netflix. Here you can see that this website has 5-star rating based on it 10,000 reviews and the reviews from GetApp and Capterra. And here you can see that one tab to replace then all your work in one place. Tasks, whiteboard, dashboard, chat, goals, documents. And if you want to create account just you have to click on Get Started button. But on the header of the screen you have many options like product. Here you can see the product of this website, that is task, whiteboard, documents, and all these. Next one is a solution option. When you click on the solution button you can see that many options are here, that is software development, engineering, designs, operations, human resources. Next one is learn option, and when you click on this button you can see that if you want to learn that then you can learn from these options. Next one is pricing section, and so it's not totally free, it has some prices. Just click on price button and here you can see that the best work solution for the best price yearly and monthly. You can choose what you want, monthly plan or yearly plan. So now you can see that first one is free plan, obviously it's just $0. And it gives you the 100 MB storage and unlimited tasks, unlimited free plan. Members to sector authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything will give you a real-time chat on one board. And the second plan is unlimited plan, which is $7 per month. And it gives you also many facilities. And next one is business plan, which charge $12 per month, and it will also give you many advanced features that include Google SSO, unlimited teams, custom exporting, advanced public sharing, advanced automation, advanced dashboard feature, and many more options are here. And it also AI compatible, and you can see that the next one is enterprise, best for many large teams. You can see that it has also many attractive features. Now next one option is enterprise, and when you click on this one you can see that bring your teams together and get more done, align your team, simplify collaboration, and get more done with ClickUp. Flexible all-in-one productive solution for enterprise. Create company-wide visibility and many more options. After this, now if you want to create account then click on sign up button, but if you have account then just click on login button. So I don't have account, I want to click on sign up button. And here you can see that sign up for free and start using ClickUp. Enter email address, so I write here my email address, that is usamayanus128@gmail.com. Now click on next button. Next window will look like this. Here you have to enter the name. So I write here my name. In the below section, you can see that your email is already added here. Next one, the password. Here you have to select your password. So I am not going with the suggested password. I am going to write my own password here. And after this, click on play with ClickUp. After some time, the window will open. And here you can see that we want to save your password. Then click on save password. And here you have to enter the confirmation code that is sent by the ClickUp. So I write here my code, that is 96 and 76. After this, you can see that it is automatically detected. And now you can see that welcome, Usama Yunus. Our missions to make you more productive. Let's do it. Next, you can edit the workspace name. Then click on next button. And after this, if you want to upload your image, then you can do that. I am happy so far. Next, choose your favorite color. So I click on this one and I am happy so far. After this, select how many people work with. So I just click on this. And next, how do you want to start using ClickUp? I just select this one and then click on next button. And you can see that many options are here. You have to select any one. And next you also have to select project management. So I will do Excel and CSV. I am done. Next, click on play with ClickUp button. After this, account is getting ready. And here you can see that welcome to ClickUp. If you want to watch the video then you click on play button, but I want to skip this video, so here you can see that the dashboard is open here. And on the left side of the screen you have many options like form, notifications, and goals option. And if you see on the drop-down menu you can see that many options are here like team, space, project buttons, and project notes. If you click on dashboard button. If you want to create dashboard just click on add dashboard button, so here you have to enter the name of your dashboard. And next move to the home page, and here you can see that on the left side of the screen a new option, that is goal. Just click on goal section and then you can see that the window will look like this. And here you have to create goal, break them down to measurable targets. And just click on set a goal button if you want to create a goal, and then you have to enter the name of the goal. So as an example I write here my name and then click on OK button. And next you have to select who is the owner of this goal. So select here and I select myself here and then click OK. And here you can set who has access to this goal. I select Usama Yunus workspace private. So I set for private because it's my private. You can also go for public one. Next just click on private. You can set the end date right here and I just select the 7th of September. And now click on OK button and next you have to add the description whatever you want. And then when you can add the description just click on OK button and after some time you can see that your goal is almost created. You can progress from here and you can see that targets are specific and measurable cases that must be completed in order to reach your goal. Create a target. If you want to create target, then enter the target name ownership and click OK button. And target will be created. So in this way, you can create goal and target and click up. Now you can see that the home page is open here. Next I am going to show you how you can create a full task on this platform. I just gave you an overview how you can create a task in the previous section. But now I am going to tell you how you can create an effective task. So for this you have to click on task button, which is on the right bottom side of the screen. When you click on this button, first of all you have to enter the name or a type or for command. So I just write here my task name, and that is complete order before 6 p.m. So this is the name of my task. Next one is select list. If you want to select any list, this is a project that we have created before, and you can select this one from here. But I am selecting this one and next is your account. If you want to add another people here you can add from this option. Next one is write something, so you can write here about your project. It may be anything that you can. And next one add subtasks. If you want to add subtasks you have to write here according to your first task. So let's suppose my first task is complete order before 6 p.m. I add my subtasks as give me details of that order. And this will be your subtasks. Now if you want to delete this one then you can delete this from here. And if you want to add then you can also add from here. Now you can add the attachment file from here. If you want to upload this then click on upload option and here you have to select the file. So let's suppose I want to add this file here, that is picture. It may be your any pictures and you can see that it's created here. And in the next section you have to set date, and when you click on date it means you are going to tell your working people you have to complete the task from 39 to the 31st of August. And then just click on close button so the time will be added. Next one you can see that it is a tomorrow button. It's mean tomorrow the last date of this task. Next one is edit task. You can add the task like I write here today task. You can add task like that. Next one is template button. If you want to use template to generate task then you click on save as a template and create instantly from template. Load from template. It's mean you can save all of this detail for future use. You just have to click on template button and all these settings would come up and you can use in the next section. Next one is the dependency button. You can click on this button and you can use all of these options according to you. Next one is this option. Here you can see that who will see your task and who's not watching your task. Next you just have to click on the arrow button and here you can see that the option like create and open, create and start another and duplicates, so you can use one of them. After this just click on create task button and next you can see that the task is creating here, and after some time it will notify you that the task is created. So in this way you can use Clickup for project management.